everything.
Everything that we got is gonna get for sale. Man, that's kind of
stings, don't it?
Kind of hits home. We finally got our Porsche on this blackjack frame machine.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are starting off this beautiful Wednesday morning over here at the Ace Hardware, over here close to the house, because we kind of just went over everything with the electrician. There's a bunch of changes that we want to do, but we're not going to show you that, guys, until a little bit later, right?
Yeah, a little bit later once they start doing those changes, and once we get some more not appliances, some more stuff in for the electrician to actually change it.
Exactly. We want to add some speakers and a few other little light switches and a few little cool areas.
Possibly even a generator to power up that whole house.
Definitely a generator, because you are having an issue with the power up on that mountain. You said it goes out every once in a while and it'll go out for a couple hours.
Yeah, like
you're left with no AC, dude.
No AC, no water, so it's like 2 times a month mainly for like hours. I mean, forever, dude.
Super crazy. So definitely gonna install a nice backup generator that's probably gonna run off of propane, and we're just gonna have a nice propane tank on the side or whatnot. So that's just a must right there.
Yeah, for sure. So there's tons of changes coming, but today we're gonna actually jump inside the shop because we got our doors in, right?
Yep, we finally got our doors for the bathrooms. That way we can have some nice privacy. Yeah. We were almost thinking about throwing up like some shower curtains or something like that for the time being, but we're gonna go ahead and install those suckers. So we're here at the Ace to grab some shims, some screws, and a few other things. And I think today we're gonna probably continue with the shop because we are getting really close with finishing that sucker up.
We got to get that thing done as soon as possible for sure.
Exactly. So let's just go ahead and run inside right quick, grab what we need, and we're gonna run to the shop, knock those doors out, and move on to the next thing.
Let's do it.
What you need right here, let me find it, because I know they got it. First of all, you need to detail your leather. Ladies don't like dust.
I like the way you're thinking.
And let me show you what else you need. Where's the washers? This is complimentary with your wash and your wax.
Okay.
If you want it to shine like glass,
use that.
be smooth as butter. I got one more thing.
One more thing.
My phone.
One of these. Come on. You got washing style.
Oh, yes. For the kiddies. Now, this right here primes it, degreases it, just like the car wash.
Really?
It's foam.
And it over.
Salesperson.
Hey, you ask anyone, any house or car I've ever bought or sold?
That's what they use?
Me. They need me.
Oh, they need you?
Said, baby, you should have sold it to me.
That's right.
You could be a salesperson.
Yes, sir.
Good.
I'm looking into that.
You're good at that.
Alrighty guys, and check this out. We finally got both of our bathroom doors completely installed, and that looks pretty good. And these suckers are really nice and heavy duty because they are solid wood right there. I'm guessing commercial grade. And this one right here, we left the trim on it. That's exactly how it arrived. But this right here, we kind of learned from it because there was trim on it, but we ripped it off. But no worries, we'll get it outfitted with some trim that we just purchased and some doorknobs. That's all it needs, and of course a little bit of paint touch up. But also we swung by parents' house after the Home Depot, picked up a saw because we're gonna probably do that very first, install the doorknobs and the trim, get that finished up over there. And while we were at the Home Depot, we picked up a few other things that just caught our eye. Look at it. I mean, it's nice, bright and yellow DeWalt, and it's a pressure washer right here, dude.
I mean, we needed it. We needed a pressure washer for the shop. I mean, we're kind of here every day now, so we kind of have to clean some cars,
Yeah, we need a detailing arsenal right here in the shop because we got one at parents' house, we got one up on the mountain, and we need one dedicated over here. And this right here is a DeWalt gas pressure washer right here, gas motor, and I don't know if DeWalt specializes in gas engines, but you know what, we'll give it a test.
Hey,
you know
that's
what I mean?
probably just a Honda motor with a DeWalt sticker on it, dude.
That's probably what it is,
dude.
but you know what, we'll let you guys know how it does. And also we picked up some suds that a lady actually recommended at the AutoZone.
Dude,
you know
she sounded like a salesperson, and she didn't even work there, dude. She was good at selling stuff, so we picked up this stuff that she recommended. We're gonna test that stuff out. Never really was a Armor All kind of guy, but I guess we'll test it out, dude.
Might as well, it never hurts. But also we picked up some rags, some microfibers, some sponges, and a whole entire like little bucket right here. And we got a foam cannon, all that good stuff. And what we want to do is actually clean up the Hellcat because the Hellcat is getting sold, I think, in a day or two. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so we got that thing posted up, and I believe somebody's gonna come out here and look at it and possibly buy it, dude.
Exactly, and we just need to get rid of that thing because it just sits around. There's a lot of stuff that we got to get rid of, honestly, and invest it probably like into a fence or other builds. There's stuff that we just got to keep moving along with. You know what I mean?
Get rid of some stuff for sure.
So we're gonna go ahead and probably knock out the stuff in the office right quick, and then we'll fire up our arsenal right here, and then we're gonna clean that Hellcat up. Alrighty guys, so it is actually the next day here. Last night we ended up giving this Hellcat a nice detail. Although it was pretty clean, we just wanted it to be presentable because when the customer comes out here, we just want him to just, his eyes just to glow and him to just take this without like any questions, you know what I mean?
You got that right.
Although we are giving him a smoking deal, a 2017 Dodge Challenger Hellcat right here for $40,000. And I mean, look at the front end of this thing. It is just beautiful. You got the little cat eye looking things right there. This is 700 horsepower for $40,000, dude. You cannot beat that, man.
Dude, you cannot, dude. That is crazy. But you know what? That's $40,000 cash that we're gonna get rid of this thing for that we can use for something else.
Cash
dude.
or check, whatever which way it goes, we'll take it. But the customer also wanted to look underneath the car to inspect like the bottom, so we might just take a look just to make sure there's no surprises there. But I'm pretty sure there's nothing wrong with it because I kind of just peeked under there and it is nice and clean. And look at this right here, dude. Remote start, dude.
Dude,
listen to it.
It's so loud. That's loud,
Dude,
man.
you hear that? It's like a crack of a whip. It's like,
I know, dude. It's insane how it starts.
or the
dude.
sound of a growl of a Hellcat, dude. Something like that. But anyways, we got this knocked out right here. and we're gonna probably just set that aside and we're gonna move on to something else. So we're gonna just chill at the shop here today because I think we got granite guys that wanna come in actually sometime today and install the granite finally in the office, and even the curbing guy for the parking lot wants to come out here as well and install some stuff there. So we kinda just wanna hang out over here, but there is a bunch of stuff that we can do, like get this Porsche on the frame machine and start using that frame machine, which I think that's gonna be super epic. But I think before we do that, we might run to the house and actually pick up the Trackhawk wheel and tire, because we did have a blowout on the Trackhawk and we got a new tire. We got a brand new tire machine and balancer machine. We might test that out for the very first time. So I say we go ahead, probably run to the house right quick, pick up that tire and rim, and hopefully get it dismounted, mount the new one, and get that Trackhawk running again. Alrighty guys, so check this out. So a lot has happened. First off, we got the Hellcat up on the lift. We walked up under here, checked everything out, and man, I gotta say, man, it is super flawless under here. Ain't no rust at all. 2017, man, we've been driving this car left and right, and it's perfect up under here. Sounds good, everything checks out perfectly. I guess we can go ahead and actually drop this thing back down and possibly park it out there, because I believe somebody's gonna come look at it here really soon. And we also ran to Mom's and Dad's house, of course, and picked up our air compressor, plugged that sucker up. That way we can plug up this tire machine right here, and we went ahead and threw on a brand new tire on one of our Trackhawk wheels. We just popped the tire. I don't know what happened. It went completely flat, so we had to get a new tire. This thing worked amazing. This thing worked even better right here. Got it all balanced up. This is just awesome, dude. Being able to do all that stuff by yourself in your own shop is just a whole different level, dude.
Absolutely love using this stuff for the very first time, and absolutely love that Eastwood Elite super quiet compressor right there.
Dude, we're gonna have to run lines here really soon, like lines all the way around the shop off that compressor. That way we can just plug in anywhere and use air compressor. But this tire, man, this thing is just crazy.
Tire, man.
I believe this is a run flat tire, so it's really difficult to see this tire. Like when it's flat completely, it almost looks like there's still air in it because, you know, it's run flat. So I guess we drove on it with no air and it kind of ate through that, but no big deal. We got some new tire.
We got a new $600 tire. Them things are pricey, dude.
And they're kind of hard to find, you said, right?
Yep. Only had to order it through like one website. I couldn't find it on like eBay or anything like that.
That's crazy. But the Trackhawk is going up on sale. That's why we're trying to get it 100% as well. But dude, most important thing out of everything, we finally got our Porsche on this blackjack frame machine. We got that sucker secured, tied up, ready to be yanked, dude.
That is right, man. We're gonna start pulling at this thing if we have to, but the main thing is to go ahead and probably change those quarter panels right there. And once you like remove quarter panel components, you want the car to be on these clamps, that way it doesn't bend, right?
Yeah, you want to clamp this thing down 100%. That way whenever you're aligning everything, everything is perfect. And we want to go ahead and put it up here. That way we can go ahead and start
pulling parts off, pull the turbo out that's bad over there, start shipping stuff off, and this thing is this is the perfect spot for it to work on right here.
Exactly, so man. That blackjack frame machine is so nice. It's so like easy to use, especially with that little scissor lift on the bottom. Makes it a breeze,
dude,
man.
This thing just rode right up here, dude.
I know, man, with a bad turbo and all, man.
I know. So this is where it's gonna be until it's 100%, which is crazy to think about, but that's the life of this car right here, dude.
We're ordering parts left and right. This thing is gonna get worked on, maybe even today. Who knows? Not today, maybe in the next video. Let's hop into this office, man.
Dude, I almost forgot, dude. They brung in our countertops, completely installed them. They did it super quick in the bathroom and in the kitchen. And dude, let's check this out. Man, look at that. Mom already brought in some food, but look at that, man. Our countertops are in. We can finally use them and stuff like that instead of like throwing stuff here and there. But dude, we are ready to go. Got corn on the cob, got some olives, some avocado, got you, what do you call this stuff again?
It's that quinoa right there. That's superfood right there.
You love that stuff right there.
It's healthy. It doesn't taste too good, but once you get used to it, it's good.
Once you mix it up with different types of flavors and some dang sauce, everything's 100%.
Right, let's hop into this bathroom right quick.
So the bathroom is done. Look at that beautiful bathroom. All you're gonna have to do is order our little faucet right here and our little drain, and that's it, man. Bathroom is done, dude.
But as of right now, I guess we're gonna grab a quick bite to eat. What y'all got here?
Dang sauce and corn on the cob, dude. I've never even tried that. Is that good?
Oh yeah, very nice. I like it.
Let's eat and get back to work.
Let's do it. Man, that's kind of
stings, don't it?
Kind of hits home right there, because we got that in 2017, man. It's been years since we held on to that thing. That thing was a loving car right there, man. No problems whatsoever. That car literally hasn't gave us one problem whatsoever.
No, sir, dude. Man. That really does have some sentimental value in our hearts, man. I'm
first Hellcat. Dude. That's like when Hellcat was coming out, you know, back. Ooh. I missed that sound. Best sounding car out there. I think that was like almost like the best sounding car we've had in our fleet, dude. That was amazing. But he's gonna enjoy it.
We gave him an amazing deal.
Smoking deal. Honestly, he could sell it, make money if he really wanted to. Smoking deal on that car. Beautiful car. We cleaned it up really good. He loved it. He loved the interior, the exterior. Whenever we were on the test drive, he got a compliment like right away on the test drive, and he's like, "I'm getting it." And I was
no
like,
way,
sure.
man.
Yeah, dude, it was crazy. You got a compliment on the red light, dude.
That's crazy, because you know that probably helped the sale a lot right there.
Oh yeah, for sure. We did not hire that guy. He just came out of nowhere and was like, "I love this car," and I'm like, yes, it's an amazing car.
That is just so crazy. But I think it's going to be pretty much a wrap for today's video. I know we were supposed to get to work on that Porsche, but you know, wow, he's ripping around, dude.
He's having fun with it, dude.
Yeah, we were supposed to get some more work done on the Porsche, but this sale kind of took a good bit of our time. We had to do the bill of sale.
It needed to be done and stuff, you know. We wanted to we got to get rid of some stuff. There's something coming up next. We're already selling a few things, so we're going to start getting rid of some things.
Yeah, we're basically going to sell, honestly, everything
that we got is gonna get for sale. We gotta bring in some new inventory.
That's what I was thinking. We were just like sitting here and we were just like looking at that Hellcat. You know, we always say, oh man, once we clean it up, we don't want to sell it. We're not doing that no more. We're gonna start getting rid of stuff, and like I wouldn't mind just having like what 2 to 3 vehicles maybe or something like that.
Yeah, 2 to 3 vehicles. Get some new inventory in, some epic inventory. Maybe get some new. I mean, there's always 2022, 2023s around the corner. The new Corvette Z06 is coming out. You know,
dude, just like it's just too much vehicles to maintain. Why not just have at least like 3, 4 nice?
Got to get some new vehicles.
That's right, man. We'll figure something out. But you know what? That's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support.
We'll catch you guys.
That's right.
Next time.
Peace.